Well, hello and welcome to another episode of Kuma's Kitchen on a hot summer night. Yeah, it's getting hot, so guess what? We want things like refreshing things like salads, but we also want something quick and easy. Quick, easy, refreshing. Well, that definitely sums up tonight's salad, which is a feta, cucumber, and tomato salad. Really easy to make. Got some of those wonderful Japanese cucumbers in there. Piece of feta, a nice little dressing. I'll throw a tomato in there. Oh yeah. That's refreshing. Delicious. Easy to make. You're going to go in the kitchen and make that right now. You're going to see it takes like a couple of minutes and you're done. That's great. This is a really easy recipe to make, and it's not going to add any heat to your kitchen. We've got a few ingredients. That's it. So here we go. Across the front, I've got a half teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of pepper. I've got 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Now you can use any kind of fresh herbs too, but everybody's got these on hand all the time. Easy enough to use. We're going for simple here. 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's all the dressing ingredients right there. Then, what I've got here is about, I think I've got 22, right? It's anywhere between 20 and 25 mini tomatoes sliced in half. And that basically is a container like that. So, you get that supermarket, look, mini tomato. I know, it's in Japanese. My supermarket. Alright, so you got those tomatoes, you got the cucumbers. That's 3 of the Japanese cucumbers. They're like about that. They're not very thick, as you can see. They're about that long. And then what I've done is I've sliced them about, just a wee bit under 1/4 of an inch. So about, 4 or 5 millimeters thick. And then here I've got 4 ounces or 110 grams of feta cheese crumbled up. That's it. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the salad bowl, move these guys off to one side, and just toss in all the dressing ingredients. So in goes the olive oil, and then the vinegar, the mayonnaise. It's got good, Kewpie mayonnaise. Lovely stuff. Got a good body to it. And what the mayonnaise does, in this instance, I could do this without mayonnaise, but I wanted a little bit in there, because the mayonnaise, it works to hold it all together. I'm trying to think of the word in English right now for doing that. It's a something, and it holds everything together. It keeps it from the vinegar and the oil separating, brings it all, emulsifies. That's the word I was looking for. It emulsifies it. All right. Sorry, some days my English is going down the drain. All right, here we go. The basil, the salt, and the pepper. And then all we do, give it a quick whisk. Bring it all together. Emulsify it. All right, that's looking good. And then toss in the cucumbers. Toss in the tomatoes. Let's give those a quick toss first, and then I'll toss in the feta. I don't want to crush the feta too much. It's really crumbled up. So first I just want to get these guys all, tomatoes in amongst the, look at the color, isn't that great? Tomatoes in amongst the cucumbers. Then we're going to toss the feta in there. And that's it. Now, could you add other things to this? Yes. You could add celery in here. You could add things like capers, olives. Play around with it. Try different things. We're going simple today. We want to keep it easy. But yeah, why not? Add something else too. There we go. That's it. Now, was that easy or what? That is a nice summer salad. Gonna be refreshing. All right, well, if you like this recipe, and if you've been watching any of my videos, you know what to do next. Watch more. Yeah. Check out some more original Kevin Riley recipes here on Kuma's Kitchen. And if this is your first time here, or you haven't done so yet, make sure that you are subscribed and click that notification bell, because that makes sure that you don't miss any. Alright, now go, make this, have a great summer dinner, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.